Have you ever come across the term IDE and felt confused about what it really means or why developers use it? Don't worry, in this video we'll break it down in a beginner-friendly way. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it's essentially a software suite that brings together everything a programmer needs to write, test, and debug code, all under one roof. Instead of jumping between a text editor, terminal, and debugger, an IDE gives you all of these tools in a single seamless interface. Whether you're working in Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript, IDEs like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Eclipse, and NetBeans offer features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, real-time error detection, version control integration, and even intelligent suggestions. This makes coding faster, more efficient, and less error-prone, especially for beginners. So, if you're starting out in programming or want to understand what tools the pros use daily, stick around as we dive into what an IDE is, how it works, and which ones you should consider in 2025.